Hello everyone, this is Epic 3D Builds here, and this is my Minecraft Snow Golem. Because it's the Christmas season, I've decided to make a Snow Golem, as it is the only Christmas themed mob in Minecraft. I think he turned out quite well, and I'm happy with his design and paint job. As you can see, he has the pumpkin, like he does in the game, and like in the game, you can shear it off and reveal his face. He uses the same Lego pin design like the rest of the figures for his head, so you can move that around. In the game, the Snow Golem doesn't move around that much and only slides across the floor, so I didn't need that much movement with him, only the head. But I think this feature with the pumpkin is quite cool. Compared with the other figures, we have the Warden here, and Steve. I think he's quite accurate. So now I'm going to show you my Snow Golem in my 3D software Fusion 360 right now.
So here is my Minecraft Snow Golem on my 3D software. So now I'm just showing you guys what it looks like from all sides. Now I'm going to show you how I built it. So I started off with an image of the Snow Golem, then I started building the snow blocks, then his face, and then his buttons, as you can see, his arms, and his pumpkin hat or face. And then I extruded the Lego pin hole for the Lego pin so his head can move around, and I was done. This model's quite simple, but I think it does get the job done and looks quite accurate to the game. Quite happy with it. You guys tell me if you like him or not down in the comments. And now I'm going to show you guys how I painted the Snow Golem right now. So here I'm painting the Snow Golem. This took about an hour and a half to paint it fully. And I hope you guys enjoy watching me paint it. I hope you enjoyed watching the process of me making this snow golem. Merry Christmas to all that celebrates Christmas, and happy holidays to everyone else. Remember, when I hit 1,000 subscribers, I release all of my 3D print Minecraft files to the community. So please like, subscribe and ring the bell icon below, and see you in the next video.